If you're learning Python, you've probably already run into some frustrating errors. The truth is, most beginners make the same mistakes when starting out. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 common Python mistakes beginners make and exactly how to fix them. If you're new to Python, this will save you a lot of time and frustration. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. The first common mistake beginners make is forgetting quotes around text. So they will write print hello world just like this. As you guys can see, PyCharm already marks the error with a red line under it. And if we run this code, the terminal will give us a syntax error. So Python thinks hello is a variable here, not text, so it throws an error. So what we need to do is put quotation marks at the beginning and at the end of the text. Now if we run the code, it will run smoothly and it won't give us an error because Python recognizes hello world as text now instead of a variable. So keep in mind, whenever you want to write text in Python, you need to put them inside quotation marks just as so. The second mistake beginners make is incorrect indentation. Python uses indentation to understand code blocks. So here, as we can see on the code, there is an error before print. And there is an error because Python expects there to be a indentation before print. So now if we run this code, you'll see that the terminal will give us a indentation error. As you can see, expected an indented block after if statement on line 3. So what you need to do is put 4 spaces before print, or just simply press tab and space at the same time. This will solve the error, and as you can see, if we press run, then the terminal will run smoothly. The spaces at the beginning tell Python that this line belongs inside the if statement. Another very common beginner mistake is confusing the equal sign with the double equal sign. The equal sign means assignment, while the double equal sign means comparison. For example, age equals 18. This assigns the value 18 to the variable age. Here we're checking if age equals 18. And if it equals 18, then we're gonna print you are 18. So think of it like this. The equal sign stores a value, while the double equal sign compares values. The fourth mistake beginners make is trying to use packages that aren't installed. As you guys can see, if we run this code, the terminal will give us a module not found error. Whenever Python says module not found error, it usually means you need to install the package. So to install the package, go to File, then go to Settings, press on Python, then go to the interpreter. And here you will see a plus sign, and under it, it will say install. Now press on it. Once you press on it, just search for the package you're looking for. So in our case, it's requests. Now once you've found the package, press on install package and just wait for it to install. So now let's check if requests has downloaded. Just close this tab. And if you see requests here, then it means it has successfully downloaded. Now press on OK. And now if we run the code, you'll see that we don't get any errors. The fifth mistake beginners make is naming files incorrectly. So they might name them python.py or random.py or request.py. The problem here is, say you want to import requests, Python might try to import your file instead of the actual library. So instead use simple names like main.py, app.py, or calculator.py for your files. These are 5 mistakes almost every Python beginner makes. So if you've made them, don't worry, it's completely normal. If you're learning Python, make sure you subscribe because I'm posting beginner-friendly Python tutorials to help you improve step by step. Thanks for watching.